The Renaissance city isn't completely devoid of contemporary art. We're here at the Florence Biennale to find out more. Conferences, displays, performances, workshops and lectures fill the week-long programme of the Florence Biennale. During each edition, an international judging panel of scholars, art historians and critics discuss and award the Lorenzo il Magnifico Award to the best exhibiting artists. The exhibiting artists compete in a range of categories which include drawing and calligraphy, painting, mixed media, sculpture, digital art and many more. The Lorenzo il Magnifico Lifetime Achievement Awards are conferred to individuals and institutions who have reached their full potential and contributed outstandingly to culture. This year's theme, Ars Ingenium, is an ode to the city of Florence's genius son, Leonardo da Vinci, and means the Biennale has as one of its objectives the valorization of innovative technology and the use of digital resources and material in art to reflect da Vinci's ingenuity. Workshops throughout the week will therefore tackle themes such as design storytelling in e-commerce and design values, or how the design of the physical product can have an effect on the success of digital marketing of that product. This is just one example of how this year's Biennale is hoping to perpetuate and enforce the connection between design, art and science. The event is at the Fortezza basso until October 27, 2019.